When I was in Malaysia, I didn't have cereal for breakfast. I had steamed rice with fried eggs. Now, it seems pretty basic, but it is so delicious. I feel like it's very much so a comfort food. I start by frying off some onions, so some vegetable oil into a small pan and in with the onions. And they're going to become really sweet as they caramelize in that oil. For some heat, just some chili. So I'm just going to thinly slice one long red chili. If you want it piping hot, and in Malaysia it was, you could use a small red chili, but I like the sweetness of these longer ones. Okay, that can also go in with our onion. And while that's frying off, we can get the egg ready. So in another small pan, another glug of that vegetable oil, and we're almost going to shallow fry this, so quite hot, and I'll break the egg straight into the centre. And that's what we're after, a nice sizzle, a very small pinch of salt, because the seasoning is going to come from the sesame oil and the light soy sauce. So while that's frying off, we'll just start building our plate. Just some rice, hot steamed rice. I'm using some jasmine. Pile it into a bowl, press down on it, onto the plate. Back to this egg. Look how crispy that side is. But you can see it's just slightly running in the centre. That's okay. Just grab that hot oil and just pop that straight over the top and it'll start to blister. That is done. Heat off. I'll grab my fried onions. They're super caramelised with that chilli. That's how I like them served. Just next to the rice is going to be a little bed for our egg. Fried egg on top. And then this is simply not complete without two essential ingredients. Some light soy. This is going to give it a wonderful savoury flavour and season everything. So just a few drops of the light soy and some sesame oil. Now I'm using some black sesame oil. It's made with 100% toasted black sesame seeds. So just a very small drizzle over the top. And that, when you break into that egg yolk, is the best taste ever. Last thing, some sesame seeds to tie it all together. A very, very simple breakfast that packs a punch.